Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Continuing with the topic of cash flow statement, there is one point which you usually find in the balance sheet, that is provision for tax. We're going to discuss this particular point. Here, the balances are given as per notes to account. Short-term provision for the opening balance here, that is 2019. This is given to us the opening balance, that is of rupees 11 1,10,000 for your provision for tax, and 2020 here the closing balance for the provision for tax is given, that is rupees 1,40,000. And if you talk about any additional information, it's given nothing in the question, right? So now what happens actually for the case when you are not provided with any additional information for provision for tax, the opening balance of provision for tax becomes the paid value, and the closing balance for provision for tax becomes the made value. Made value means from P&L, paid value means from bank account, and made value, that is P&L account. So for the operating activities, this 1,40,000 rupees is the provision for tax made. So this is added in your operating activities, the closing balance. Whereas the opening balance, which is given here 1,10,000, that leaves to be paid. So this is deducted from your which activity? Operating activity. The whole point is taken to the operating activities with the addition of opening balance and deduction of closing balance. So let's say if we have to prepare provision for tax account in this particular case, what happens here is the provision for tax balance brought down. You know that tax is your liability, and when it is about your provisions always carry which balance? Credit balance. So opening balances, by balance brought down 1,10,000, to balance carried down 1,40,000. Now this 1,10,000 balance will become the paid value to bank. When you make a payment of the tax, it becomes provision for taxation account debit to bank account. So opening balance becomes the paid value, and closing balance becomes the P&L value, that this was the provision made during the year for the tax. So how much was the provision made? 1,40,000 here, right? So this provision made would be added to your which activities? Operating activities, and this paid value would be given a deduction from your operating activities, and we will then not consider the opening brought down and closing carried down. That I have already told you in the last video regarding your asset account also, that carried down and the brought down balances we are not going to consider in any way. Only the balances of P&L and the bank balances are considered for your preparation of cash flow statement. Now dear, if making a change over here in this particular given situation, if I make a change about additional information, let's say in the additional information I am provided tax paid during the year is of rupees 1 lakh, right? What I am saying is the situation remains the same as it's here in the given question. The opening balance is 1,10,000, closing balance 1,40,000, but tax paid is given to us 1 lakh. So first of all, tax paid means what entry would it have been? Provision for tax account debit to bank account. What I am saying is the entry for the payment of your tax becomes provision for tax account debit to bank account, that is here with rupees 1 lakh, right? This is given to me in the question that provision for tax have been paid with the 1 lakh value. Now coming along, and provision for taxation account, what was the brought down balance? This was the same in the last point. 1,10,000 was the brought down balance, 1,40,000 was the carried down balance. But in this particular case, I was provided with the tax paid. Paid means to bank, money is going out, so it will appear on which side of your account? On the debit side. Provision for tax account debit to bank account. So paid value is given in the question with rupees 1 lakh. Now the total of the account is 2 lakh 40,000 minus 1 lakh 10,000. 2 lakh 40,000 minus 1 lakh 10,000. What is the balancing figure here? For the paid value of your taxes 1 lakh and 30,000. Made value for the tax 1 lakh 30,000, that will treat from the profit and loss account, right? So from here, in this particular case, now your brought down balance is not similar to the paid and carried down is not similar to the made. So when you are given any of the additional information, if it is a paid, it will go to bank. If it is a made value, made is given, then it will go profit and loss account debit to provision for taxation account. What I am saying, profit and loss account debit to provision for taxation account. So it will appear on the credit side of your provision for taxation account by P&L account, right? So here, in this case, now you are clear, because we are having different values here. We are not considering this brought down value for operating activity, this carry down value for operating activity. Rather, we will treat this 1 lakh rupees as a paid in the operating activity. It would be deducted, and this made value, that is your P&L value, would be added in your operating activities. We're gonna add this value in operating activity, we're gonna deduct this value in operating activity. Rest other information will not be used in your cash flow statement. Dear, all of the accounts are very simple. If you understand the basic values about the accounts as the three rules of the accounting, just concentrate on that rule, make your journal. These particular accounts will be very easier than to prepare. Coming along, more accounts on cash flow statement. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share, and please comment.